Hello everybody on YouTube, especially all of you 6.0 enthusiasts. We got to stick together, man. I'm a big, huge 6.0 Ford 6.0 fan. I've got two of them right now, and I'm going to show you something that I learned that every single one of you have fought, and you get to the end of your repair and you have this problem. This wiring harness, whatever you want to call it, plastic shroud deal, sags. Okay, and I'll try to do this while I'm filming. So you pull these pins out right here, and these stupid things, they just don't hold it. And it's always hanging down right on top of your turbo like that. So I finally figured out the pins, replacement pins to use that hold it. So you take these right here. They're these push-in style that are reusable instead of those little ribbed edge style ones. These things work awesome. I'll try to do that while I'm filming. Sorry, push that in like that. Okay. And you push the top down. And you want to kind of hold it up a little bit while you do it. They fit in there just perfect. A little bit tight. I might have to get my hammer. But you do want them kind of tight. That's what's going to hold it. Just tap them down in like that. The whole time you want to kind of hold it. And your third one right there. Hopefully that camera angle shows that. See that? Now look at that. Look how nice that holds it. It's totally just exactly, just wiggles a tiny little bit, but it's exactly where you want it. Just holds it up off that turbo. Then when you go to make another repair, because they're the reusable style, you just pull the pins, and reuse them. Instead of having that thing, I don't know how many 6.0 trucks I've seen over the years, and every single one of those things just hanging down on the turbo. And I was gonna show you really quick my other truck. Picked this other truck up off of a Nevada State BLM auction. A sweet little F350 flatbed. It's original cabin chassis, single. Got some nice tires on it. 215,000 miles. Had to redo the decking. It was wood before. Put a nice seat cover on it. It's super clean. It's all manual 4x4. Anyway, just a quick look at my other truck. But yeah, same thing on that. See, I just got done on this truck of doing a complete rebuilt all the injectors. Thanks to Bitterroot Diesel Performance out of Montana. Super great guys. If you guys ever are having stiction or feeling like you're ready to replace your 6.0 injectors, I highly recommend Bitterroot Diesel. Those guys are awesome. The kit costs about $230, and they have some great how-to videos. Just follow the video. I just barely completed that on this truck, and it runs perfect. Super happy about it. And it was just so funny. Put that thing on, I grabbed the old clip deals, and then they're all worn and it was sagging down, so I finally figured it out. And the answer are these right here. Go down to Napa, 665 3246. That's the part number. 665 3246. They work awesome. And you won't have that thing hanging down anymore. Sits up there just like it should. So, thanks guys. Just thought maybe somebody could use a tip there, since I figured that out. They work perfect. They're nice and tight, and then you'll be able to pull them out and reuse them. Have a great day, and don't give up on that 6.0. Keep at it, and it'll be a great truck for you. Thank you.